Welcome to Tricky's Kitchen, where delicious food is made easy. Today, Tricky will show you how to make soft and fluffy ricotta pancakes. The ricotta cheese adds the perfect touch of creaminess to the pancakes and keeps them really moist. It also adds a light and creamy richness to every bite. So these are the ingredients for the pancake batter. So let's get on with the first step and prepare the batter. So add in the egg whites to a mixing bowl and whisk until stiff. When stiff peaks begin to form, set aside for later use in this recipe. Now take another mixing bowl and add in the sugar and egg yolks and whisk well to combine. Now add in the ricotta cheese and the vanilla extract and whisk until smooth and well combined. Then add in the milk and continue to whisk. Now sift in the dry ingredients, that is the plain flour, salt, baking powder and baking soda. Stir very gently until just incorporated. We want the batter to be light, fluffy and airy, so do not overmix. Now spoon in the egg whites that we prepared and set aside into the pancake batter and fold gently until just combined. As before, do not overmix. With this, we have prepared the pancake batter, so let's move on to the next step and fry the pancakes. So heat a frying pan and lightly coat with oil or butter. Now use a 1/3 cup measure to pour the batter and very gently shape and cover with a lid. Cook on medium to low heat for about 1 to 2 minutes and check if the underside is golden. Then flip and cook for another minute or until golden. Then remove and set aside. Now repeat the previous step with the remaining batter. So lightly coat the pan with oil or butter. Use a 1/3 cup measure to pour the batter and gently shape and cover with a lid. Cook on medium to low heat for about 1 to 2 minutes and check if the underside is golden. Then flip and cook for another minute or until golden. And again, remove and set aside. Finally, decorate with fresh fruit and serve the hot pancakes with a blob of butter and a drizzle of maple syrup. You are free to serve it with any other accompaniment of your choice, such as lemon curd, fruit jam, powdered sugar, or chocolate spread. And there you have it, soft and fluffy ricotta pancakes, adding richness and creaminess to every bite. So thank you for stopping by. Do hope you will give this recipe a try. Have lots of fun in the process as you toy, and most of all, don't forget to enjoy. Tricky's Kitchen has lots of other delicious recipes that you would like to try out. So be sure to click on the video link on your screen right now and watch another video, and subscribe to Tricky's Kitchen if you haven't yet for more delicious recipes.